The one.
Uptown Swing.
It got it. So.
We did some review. First of all, we did like the yo-yos and the promenades, and then we did this yo-yo that was like the yo-yo-yo-yo-yo. Yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo. Oh my God, whatever. You know what I was doing first? Yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo-yo. Just messing with it. It's not a count, but you can just feel it. And the great thing is it shows you how like the footwork are a felt thing, not a decided thing.
Yeah, followers, just try to keep going.
Yeah, followers.
Then we did new stuff. Double tuck turn into double inside turn.
Go to something like this. Hit it. And then we circle up. Then don't forget. Watch it this way.
Followers, don't forget, we're marching, and then we're twisting, and then you're walking to your car like this, so next week will be easier. Bye bye.